Good morning, James. This is Richard here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your online inquiry on our brand new 2018 Honda CR-Vs. We are the largest dealership in the state of Alabama, so you can see we got a wide variety of trims and colors for you to choose from. So please call me at 205-541-2862 so I can set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll be sure to have the car pulled up, gassed up, ready for you to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, I'm Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing: when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.